Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, today we are going to learn something new. You know what? Drawing with shapes. So, let's start. This is a triangle. Let's see what we can make with triangle. One triangle, then other triangle, and make a string. So, kite is ready. You want to fly it? Let's see other drawing. First, make a triangle, then thin rectangle. So, our tree is ready. Rectangle. Let's see what we can make with rectangle. Make a rectangle, then small square, then two circles, that is wheels, and two windows, that is square in shape. So our truck is ready. Let's see other drawing of rectangle. Make a rectangle, then square, then two triangles, that is ears, then eyes, and small triangle, that is mouth, and four legs, that is rectangle in shape. Our dog is ready. Square. Let's see what we can make with square shape. Square, then triangle, then two windows, that is square in shape, and one rectangle for door. Our hut is ready. Let's see the other drawing. Square, then triangle at the back, and two more triangles, that is fins, and then eyes, and our fish is ready. Now you tell me in the comment section what else we can make with square shape. Next shape is oval. Here are the steps how to draw an oval because it's little difficult to draw. So let's see. Step 1, then step 2, and then step 3. I hope now you can make oval easily. Now let's see the drawing with oval. Make an oval, then one more oval, and our mirror is ready. Let's see the other drawing with oval. Make an oval, then circle in the middle, and egg is ready. Next shape is circle. Let's see what we can make with circle. Emoji! Wow! Yes, we can make emoji with circle. Now children, you tell me why we use this emoji. Our next drawing with circle is caterpillar. Let's see how it will make. Circle, then one more circle, and the last circle is very small, then eyes, smiley, and our caterpillar is ready. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.